January 14, 2025. White paper, Patient Analysis with DNN and ICU KFT Risk Prediction. Disclaimer. This AI model is a prototype designed for research and demonstration purposes only. It is not intended for commercial use or as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. All results and analyses generated by this model are based on test data and should be verified by qualified healthcare professionals before making any medical decisions. Use of this model in clinical or operational settings is at the user's discretion and risk. Synopsis. Synopsis of the AI/ML model, AI agent. This detailed context combines a visual representation of ICU risk prediction and the significance of rigorous training in AI/ML systems. The data and imagery aim to emphasize the critical role of artificial intelligence in enhancing patient care through reliable ICU risk prediction models. Authored by Pradeep K. Suri, an author, researcher, and AI/ML architect, the narrative integrates technical depth with clear visualization for research or educational purposes. Overall context: AI engine. The image serves as a visual representation of an AI/ML analysis in the healthcare domain, specifically focusing on ICU risk prediction. It highlights the interplay between the deep neural network, DNN, architecture and the benefits of rigorous training in improving prediction models. Designed for a research paper or presentation, it underscores the potential of AI/ML to revolutionize critical care management. Key sections of the image. Left side, ICU risk prediction and DNN structure. Node link diagram, illustrates a deep neural network, DNN, model for ICU risk prediction. Nodes. Input nodes, cyan, represent patient features such as vitals, heart rate, blood pressure, lab results, and comorbidities. Hidden nodes, orange, green, process and extract essential features from inputs. Output nodes, example ICU risk scores, deliver predictions. Links, depict connections between nodes, visualizing data flow through the DNN layers. Right side, rigorous training benefits. Bar chart representation showing how rigorous training enhances model performance. 1. Improved accuracy, enhances predictive reliability. 2. Better generalization, adapts well to unseen data. 3. Reduced overfitting, balances model complexity for consistency. 4. Increased robustness, handles noisy or incomplete data effectively. 5. Optimal hyperparameter tuning, ensures peak model efficiency. Message: rigorous training optimizes ICU risk prediction models, aiding in patient care by improving prediction quality. ICU risk visualization. The image includes a combined bar chart and line chart to visualize ICU risk scores for 5 patients, A to E. Features. 1. Title, highlights ICU risk prediction and credits Pradeep K. Suri for authorship. 2. Axis. X-axis, represents patients, A to E. Y-axis, depicts ICU risk scores, 0 to 9. 3. Bar chart. Colors, each patient has a unique bar color. A. Cyan, B. Yellow, C. Blue, D. Red, E. Green. Labels, provide context for each patient. 4. Line chart. Overlays risk scores with green lines and magenta markers. Displays exact scores beside markers. 5. Legend, differentiates between the bar and line charts. Patient-specific data. Patient A. Risk score, 6.8, cyan. Label, this is a label associated with patient A. Patient B. Risk score, 8.9, yellow, highest risk. Label, this is a label associated with patient B. Patient C. Risk score, 5.4, blue, lowest risk. Label, this is a label associated with patient C. Patient D. Risk score, 7.2, red. Label, this is a label associated with patient D. Patient E. Risk score, 6.5, green. Label, this is a label associated with patient E. Insights. 1. Patient risk, patient B has the highest ICU risk, 8.9, while patient C has the lowest, 5.4. 2. Dual representation, the bar and line charts together enhance clarity, providing quantitative and visual insights. 3. Contextual labels, adds qualitative context to quantitative scores. Overall design. The image balances technical depth and visual clarity, showcasing the potential of AI/ML in healthcare. It emphasizes the human-machine synergy in AI-driven analysis, the impact of rigorous training on model reliability, the practical utility of AI in life-critical applications like ICU risk prediction. Conclusion. The image, annotated with contributions by Pradeep K. Suri, serves as a compelling illustration for research, presentations, or educational material, advocating for the transformative potential of AI/ML in healthcare and beyond. Overall context. The image to be a visualization of an AI/ML analysis, focusing on ICU risk prediction and the benefits of rigorous training. It's part of a research paper or presentation by Pradeep K. Suri. Left side, ICU risk prediction and DNN structure. Node link diagram, this represents a deep neural network, DNN, architecture. Nodes, these are the processing units of the network. Different colors, cyan, orange, green, represent different types of nodes, example input, hidden, output. Links, these indicate connections between nodes, showing how information flows through the network. Input nodes, these represent various patient features, example heart rate, blood pressure, lab tests, comorbidities. Hidden nodes, these process the input information and extract relevant features. Output nodes, these represent the predicted ICU risk for a patient. Right side, rigorous training benefits. This section illustrates the advantages of rigorous training in improving the performance of the ICU risk prediction model. Each bar represents a different benefit. Improved model accuracy, rigorous training helps the model learn more accurately from the data, leading to better predictions. Better generalization, the model becomes more adaptable to new, unseen data, making it more reliable in real-world scenarios. Reduced overfitting, overfitting occurs when the model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. Rigorous training helps prevent this by controlling the model's complexity. Increased robustness, the model becomes less sensitive to noise and outliers in the data, making it more reliable even with imperfect information. Improved hyperparameter tuning, rigorous training helps identify the optimal hyperparameters for the model, maximizing its performance. Overall message. The image emphasizes the importance of rigorous training in developing effective AI/ML models for critical applications like ICU risk prediction. It visually demonstrates how a well-trained model can lead to more accurate, robust, and generalizable predictions, ultimately improving patient care. The image presents a visual representation of ICU risk scores for 5 patients, using a combination of a bar chart and a line chart. Below is a detailed explanation. Key features. 1. Title. The chart is titled ICU Risk Prediction with Patient Labels, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. It highlights that this visualization is related to ICU risk prediction. Two axes. X-axis, patients. Represents the patients, patient A, patient B, patient C, patient D, and patient E. Y-axis, risk score. Indicates ICU risk scores ranging from 0 to 9. 3-bar chart. Purpose. Displays ICU risk scores for each patient, with each bar's height corresponding to their risk score. Colors. Each bar is color-coded for clarity. Patient A, cyan. Patient B, yellow. Patient C, blue. Patient D, red. Patient E, green. Text labels. Each bar contains a label, providing additional information about the patient. Example: this is a label associated with patient A. 4-line chart. Purpose. Represents the same ICU risk scores using a connected line with markers. Color. The line is green with magenta markers. Text labels. Each marker includes the exact ICU risk score as text. Example: risk, 6.8 for patient A. 5. Legend. Located on the right side, it distinguishes between patient ICU risk, represented by the bar chart. ICU risk scores, represented by the line chart. 6. Background. The plot and paper backgrounds are black, providing a high contrast visual for the vibrant chart elements. Patient risk breakdown. Patient A. Risk score, 6.8. Bar color, cyan. Label: this is a label associated with patient A. Patient B. Risk score, 8.9. Bar color, yellow. Label: this is a label associated with patient B. Patient C. Risk score, 5.4. Bar color, blue. Label: this is a label associated with patient C. Patient D. Risk score, 7.2. Bar color, red. Label: this is a label associated with patient D. Patient E. Risk score, 6.5. Bar color, green. Label: this is a label associated with patient E. Insights. 1. Highest risk. Patient B has the highest ICU risk score, 8.9. 2. Lowest risk. Patient C has the lowest ICU risk score, 5.4. 3. Visual combination. The use of both bar and line charts emphasizes the risk scores, offering a dual perspective for better understanding. 4. Contextual information. The additional labels provide qualitative context about each patient. 1. Overall design. The image combines human and machine elements, showcasing the synergy between artificial intelligence and human innovation. The design is sleek, modern, and conveys a sense of authority and expertise in AI/ML technology.